Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to take a view at your transaction history on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing we need to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com, this is the main URL, and on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo app. So after downloading it, you want to open it up, and now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is log in. If you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one, click the Get Venmo option on your mobile phone, just proceed with your phone number and get started with registering. So once we've gotten your account, we can log in. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page. This is the home page that we are going to be greeted by after logging in, from where we can get started. We here have all the sections that we can access, such as home, cards, crypto, and so on, everything that we need. And now we can go ahead and get started. So basically guys, how do we take a look at our transaction history? It's very easy, and this is how to do it. As you can see right here on the official help Venmo page, we can take a look to view our Venmo transaction history. We are going to go into the Me tab. The Me tab is located right here in the bottom right corner. So as you can see, here is the Me tab, and once you open it up, it's going to open up this main page. So in this home page, as you can see in the Me tab, we have an option that says transactions. Here is the transactions section that you want to open up. So once you tap on it, it's going to take a look at all the transactions you made in Venmo. Then you can export them, download them, do whatever you want with them, and this is where they're going to be. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care, and bye.